the right size.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Limmy Bashes. I am fitting a modular motorsport racing coolant reroute kit to the back of my Boss 260. What this kit includes, what you see here, which is very simply just two fittings and a bit of hose. And all it does is it reroutes coolant from the back of the head on the passenger side to the driver's side, or driver's side to the passenger side, whichever way around it is, I'm not 100% sure, wherever it needs it, because one of these two back cylinders is very common for developing a hotspot and overheating your engine, which would suck, which I don't want to do. So thought it probably best to get this kit and prevent that from ever happening if I'm out in the bush, going up a big muddy hill, full sending it. So yeah, and I also got this t-shirt from MMR, which is pretty cool. Very nice fit. Yeah, not much more to say. Let's rip into it. It is a all through life tip. Whenever you're putting something rubber in a hole, lube up. That's not the right size at all. Not even close. Well, that shit. Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks since I got my coolant reroute kit and attempted to fit it, and turns out I didn't try and fit it properly. Instead of going here on the back of the head, it goes here on the top of the back of the head to there, not there. So yeah, these Welsh plugs look very much more the right size for the hardware for that to fit in. So now just got to figure out how to try and get those out to fit these, and then it'll actually work and it'll be sick and it'll keep it cool. So yeah, MMR, very sorry, but I'll do it properly now. Cheers for the help. Well, I'm committed to it now because that Welsh plug got absolutely minced coming out, so fingers crossed this actually works. I figure while I'm here getting this in, I got to pull the intake manifold and stuff off anyway, so I might as well start stripping this bad boy so it's ready to go back together with new stuff when it all gets here. So to make sure everything goes back on nice, I'm just cleaning up these surfaces for the inlet manifold. And here's what it looks like beforehand. Yum. Schmick. Okay, the hardware is now bolted on in position. Just got to sort out the hose length and the orientation of it. If I want it sort of bowing outwards like that, or straight across, or bowing up, or however I have to run it so that it fits with the intake manifold. But I'll leave that for now, and I'll get on to pulling more of this bad boy apart. So I just pulled the coil packs out, and a lot of them were covered in a lot of oil, as you can see. Yeah, so whether or not that's simply rocker cover gaskets leaking, which I'm really hoping it is, whether or not it's that or something more sinister, I am crossing my fingers and really hoping that it's something simple. That was a tissue. That's how much oil was in there. But I think for this episode, I might call it quits for today. I didn't bring any tools home from work, so this is sufficiently hard to do with random screwdrivers and spanners and sockets and stuff that I have. So stay tuned for the next part of this part. So ciao.